In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a mass text on Square appointments. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large customer base, knowing how to reach out to your clients effectively can make a huge difference. Let's dive into the process. First, we'll start by heading over to the Square website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in squareup.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and find the Sign In button. Give that a click to proceed to the login page. Now you'll need to log in with your Square account credentials. If you haven't stored your login information, make sure you have your username and password ready. Once you've entered those, click Login and you'll be directed to your Square dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Customers section. This section is key because it contains all your customer information and the tools needed for marketing communication. Find this option and click on it, which will then redirect you to the Customer Management page. With the Customer section open, look for the Marketing tab. Clicking on Marketing brings you to a place where you can manage all your communication campaigns. Here, we'll take steps to ensure your messages reach as many people as intended. Next, move on to the automations area within the marketing section. This is where you'll set up automated mass text to make sure your communication is consistent and timely. Let's click on automations to proceed further. On the automations page, you'll see an option to create automations. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create Automations and you'll be presented with a couple of choices here. You'll need to decide whether you want to send a text message or an email. For the purpose of mass texting, let's select the text message option. After selecting your communication method, you'll need to choose your recipients. This step is fairly straightforward. Think about who needs to receive your message. Do you want to reach your whole customer base, or are there specific groups you're targeting? Make your selections within the recipient settings. With your recipient set, it's time to draft your message. In the Write Your Message area, craft a clear and engaging text that grabs your audience's attention. Remember to keep it concise but informative. Once you're satisfied with how it sounds, review it to ensure there are no mistakes. Finally, you'll see options to either send the message immediately or schedule it for a later time. If timing is key to your campaign, scheduling might be the way to go. Choose your preferred option, whether it's sending now or later, and confirm to complete the process. And there you have it. You've now learned how to efficiently send a mass text on Square appointments. Feel free to come back to this video for guidance anytime you need to repeat these steps. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your campaigns.